Hello, welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin's booming and why PayPal is a major clue to Bitcoin's booming. Now, let me preface by saying that, like I did talk about this in my stream, but, my stream quality kind of sucks right now because I'm actually visiting my parents for the next couple of weeks. So these videos actually might be a little better. So Bitcoin is going to boom, definitely. We're, going up, up, up these days. And even though we're not going straight up, there's definitely pullbacks. We've had a very, very good time of it. 15,900 right now. And remember, we were like at 12,000 a month ago. So, we've had a lot of growth. And there is a good chance that we will actually breach 20K by the end of this year. Now, PayPal gives us a huge clue of why it's going up, not just because PayPal actually has allowed crypto. Now, I'm sure that mainstream adoption of PayPal has actually benefited Bitcoin by giving it some FOMO, but there's like details in there that maybe some people don't notice. People talk about, every once in a while, PayPal has already raised the buy limit twice. Now, most people I haven't really heard talk about this issue, but that is a major, major clue that Bitcoin is going to boom and the demand is really huge. Now, Bitcoin has like four cryptocurrencies that they allow: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and BCH. Now, most people are going to buy Bitcoin. Let's be real. Like most noobs that get into cryptocurrency, all they know is Bitcoin. They're going to mainly buy Bitcoin. The other three are just kind of there to round out, but most people are going to buy Bitcoin. And the thing is, PayPal having to raise their limit twice means that there's demand for Bitcoin, right? Because like if there's no demand for Bitcoin, if no one actually wants to buy Bitcoin from PayPal and it's just like a show-offy type of thing, they wouldn't raise their limit because, why raise your limit when no one's buying? Because that's just like, pointless. And there's like more regulatory hurdles the higher you set the limit. So the fact that they've had to raise the limit like, twice within like a week and a half, 2 weeks shows that there's a lot of demand from PayPal's big customers. Though these are people with a lot of money because I think the limit's like 25K a week now. It was $15,000 a week. Now I don't know about you and me. I don't really buy $15,000 a week of worth of Bitcoin, and I don't really know that many people that do. So these are people with basically large investment initiatives, maybe institutional buyers, maybe really rich people. They are the ones that are pumping money into Bitcoin right now. And like, $15,000, $20,000 buys via PayPal. I'm pretty sure PayPal probably works via the exchange when you buy. So like that's directly affecting price. I do actually think the massive price increases in the last week, last 2 weeks, have actually been this. And like the because they just launched yesterday, the real money has yet to come in. So I wouldn't be surprised if PayPal shot up to like 17, 18, 19, even 20,000. I know I do expect a resistance at 20,000 for it to bounce back. But the thing is, I wouldn't be surprised if PayPal like just shot up and broke 20,000 now because like them having to raise the limit. Now, the limit's been raised twice, and it's only gone live yesterday, but there are people who have actually gotten access much earlier. So like those people who have gotten access much earlier are probably like their big buyers. So like we've seen some of the influx money come in. We're going to see more of that influx money coming. And if they keep raising the limit to like 30, 35,000, that's because of massive demand from people who can actually spend a lot of money buying Bitcoin. Those people are going to pump up Bitcoin. So I haven't really seen many people talk about this, but I think this is a big factor. Not only does it mean people are demanding Bitcoin from PayPal, it means that the big money buyers are demanding Bitcoin from PayPal and they can buy a lot of Bitcoin. So I do expect that to actually push Bitcoin up. Yes, you can't literally withdraw, but most noobs don't really know about that, and they just want to buy and sell anyways. Eventually, I think some of those people will move off of PayPal onto an actual real exchange, but for right now, it's a great on-ramp, and it's getting people to buy a lot of Bitcoin. So that's my view on it. Like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.